Welcome to the Queen's Court. Today I am bringing you a fall vignette in the black and gold. I absolutely love this. I'm so thankful, grateful, and blessed to be alive. And I hope you are too. Thank you to all my faithful returning family members. I'm so sorry about the lighting. I don't know what's going on in here. But thank you to all my returning family members. I love y'all queens so much. And welcome to all my new family members. Okay, so we're going to start with these pumpkins right here. This pumpkin here says thankful. Yes, I am so thankful and grateful to be here and just give God all the glory and all the honor and all the praise for what He has done in my life, in my lifetime. Got those pumpkins, got that pumpkin, well, it was 3 in a pack. Thankful, grateful, and blessed. And I got that at Hobby Lobby, 50% off. Okay, and I got these here. I think I got these from TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx, I believe it was for 14 or something like that. Okay, I got this here dome cloche. Okay. From Target Dollar Spot. Okay, and I spray painted the black to gold. And these pumpkins in here, y'all seen these pumpkins plenty of times. They're my to go, black and gold. Okay, I DIY'd those. I painted them black, and I painted the stem gold. And I also put the gold studs on. Okay. This here succulent came from Hobby Lobby. Okay. The beautiful vase came from Goodwill. It was like a pearly color. I spray painted it gold because I knew exactly what I wanted to do. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And these flowers, of course, came from Amazon. My peonies. You can use peonies all year round. Okay. At least I'm going to use peonies all year round. Okay, these gold leafy things came from Dollar Tree. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful plate back here. Well, I don't not gonna call it a plate, but anyway, I DIY'd it. It was like another color, and I put the gold, glitter in it, you know, where the design was. Okay, and this is black, and I love it, and I hope you do too. Remember, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless you until I see you on the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the Queen's Court. I love to have you. Also, click that all notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Bye-bye. Love you, Queens. Bye-bye. Have a blessed day.